Today's Gĩkũyũ proverb is gũeterera ti kũinaina. Gũeterera ti kũinaina. That literally means to wait is not to shake. So it can also be translated in English as patience pays. You know, being patient does not mean you're idle or you're powerless. Sometimes it may mean strength. Imagine starting a business, whether it's selling clothes, selling shoes, or whatever line of business you'd like to start. And then we all know that businesses take time to thrive, right? And people may mock you thinking that you're failing, but your patience can save you. Your patience is what shows strength. You understand that patience has value. You're investing in a better outcome. In your business, if you keep showing up every day, if you keep improving your products and marketing, someday it will pay off. And that will show that patience is not to shake or patience pays. So if you're in a situation where people think that you're wasting your time doing something and you are very sure that what you're doing is the right thing, that what you're doing is what your mind wants you to do, remember that gũeterera ti kũinaina.